Hi guys, I have already lots of asparagus, so I'm going to pickle them. The jars were sterilized and I dropped one garlic clove in each jar and then a teaspoon of the black peppercorn and also a teaspoon of sea salt. Filled up with asparagus spears. Now this is water and vinegar. I boiled the water and vinegar 50-50%, so 1:1 ratio. The head space is 1/4 inch. Remove the bubbles. Cannot do this with one hand. I have